In this video, let's talk about how to fix TikTok bookmarks not saving. So if you bookmark a particular video and if it is not available within the bookmark section, in today's video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do is try clearing your TikTok app cache. So what you can simply do is head over to the three lines on the top right and then head over to settings and privacy. Within this list, you'll need to scroll down, head over to free up space, and make sure you tap on the clear option right on the option which says cache. So just tap on clear, and once you complete this step, make sure you remove the TikTok app from the recent app list and try to see if now the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, the other thing that you'll also need to ensure or need to know is that if the other creator's account is now private, in this situation as well, you would not be able to view the bookmark video. Also, the creator may have deleted or the content may have got shadow banned. So in this case as well, the bookmark that you made may have disappeared. Now, even after doing and checking all of this and you're still having issues with it, the last thing that you can try out is try to reinstall the TikTok application onto your device. So just uninstall it and then again re-download it. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.